Hey, this is Carl. It's going to be a very short video this time. I'm going to show you what I purchased. I purchased these at Peachtree Woodworking Supply, PTREE-USA.com. These are Rotary tool diamond burrs. Let's go ahead and open these up. Yeah, I would encourage you to go to PeachtreeUSA.com and get on their mailing list. They'll send you out an email every week saying what they have on sale. But this is 30 different profiles, 4 different grits, and if I remember right, these were like $17.50, somewhere around there. Let's open this thing up. There we go. Why aren't you opening up? Oh, doing it wrong, no wonder. So we got 4 different grits, and each grit is marked on the case 150. Now this one does have a couple of loose bits in there, but not a big deal. I wish that these lids would stay on, but I won't have to put a rubber band on these. 150 grit, 240 grit, 400 grit, 600 grit. And I'll show you a close-up of the profiles here. If you remember, I did a video showing really all these profiles and what they do and what they don't do. Anyway, this is a short video just showing you what I purchased from Peachtree Woodworking Supply. Under 20 bucks. Let's see, how many total? 120 pieces total. 4 different grits. I don't think you can go wrong with this. Hit up Peachtree Woodworking Supply. PeachtreeUSA.com. Sign up for their email. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.